Another day, another lawsuit against the Trump administration, this time over his attempt to eliminate nearly half of the U.S. Department of Education.
20 states have signed on to this lawsuit. Pennsylvania did not. Why is that? And what does the governor think of the federal cuts in general? Dennis Owens asked those questions.
I don't think the gutting of the Department of Education should be a Democratic or Republican issue.
But this 53-page lawsuit is from Democratic attorneys general from 20 states and D.C., saying layoffs are so severe and extreme that it incapacitates the department from performing functions mandated by statute.
I can say that no president can unilaterally eliminate the Department of Education.
Deborah Clare runs the Education Law Center. She says the Civil Rights Division was hardest hit.
I think as an attempt to eliminate the ability to enforce civil rights laws that department is charged with holding.
We're going to move education into the states.
The Trump team stands by the cuts, calls them strategic, and insists they will not directly impact students and families.
I'm extremely concerned.
Dan Acklesberg is with the Public Interest Law Center that successfully argued for more equitable funding in PA public schools. He worries about civil rights protections for minority kids or students with disabilities.
But what it means is that the biggest cop is no longer on the beat, effectively.
PA's Republican Attorney General Dave Sunday said he was not invited to join the suit, which was prepared by Democrats, and didn't know of it until media reports, but likely wouldn't have joined anyway, adding, "We will not micromanage the federal government. I will not have news-making commentary in response to happenings in D.C. This decision and all decisions in D.C. will be enacted or not through a legislative and legal process." Governor Shapiro wouldn't comment on whether Sunday should sue or whether he will sue, as he did with frozen funds, but made two noteworthy comments. First off, if you're a federal worker and you've been laid off, we're hiring, adding, we're going to do everything we can to try and make sure that our school districts aren't hurt.
Public education is not a partisan issue. It is supported by people of all stripes in all corners of the Commonwealth, rural, urban, and suburban.
In Harrisburg, I'm Dennis Owens.